Hello students, today I am going to show you how can you make PDF of your answer sheets. Whatever you will write in term 1 in your copy, you have to make PDF file, that is portable document format file, so you can upload it in Google Forms, right? So first of all, what we have to do, actually I am using Cam Scanner, but you can use another app also. So first of all, I am going to open Play Store. You have to open Play Store and then search here scanner. You have to search scanner, and then there are too many apps which is available for making PDF file. So first of all, I am downloading this one, Made in India document scanner. Click here, install it in your mobile. It will take a little bit time, right? So the size of this file is 25.96 MB. So this is the installing process, and then next what you have to do, just you will open it after installation. So I'm waiting for it. So whatever you will write in your copy, you have to make PDF and you have to download it, upload in Google Form, right? You have to upload the file in Google Form. Which file? PDF file of your answer sheets. So this has been installed. So now I'm going to open it. I will open it and allow document scanner to access photos, media and files on your device. Then click allow. Then again taking pictures and recording videos, yes, allow. And then you have to just slide left and done. Now it has opened. There are two signs are there. This one, first one is for pre-stored photos in your mobile, and second one is for image capturing, instant image capturing. So you have to click in this camera button, just click it, and I am scanning this book page document. Okay, so you have to click here, so you can adjust the ages also. Suppose I don't want this page number, so I will adjust like this. It's my requirement. Okay, and then color filter is also available. You can clear the image also. Yes, this has been cleared. Another option is OCV black, sharp black, color 1, color C, whatever you want, and then click the checkbox. Yes, right button. Yes, okay, and then continue. Suppose I have to continue, I have to scan another page also. So I am scanning this page also. Scanned. I will click, and this also scanned. I will manage the edges, right, and then continue. You can also check the colors also. You can change the color. So yes, this is quite clear. Then click to this right option. Yes, and then suppose I have only 2 pages. So now finally I will click to this right button again. Yes, right, and then click here to crop and rotate and apply. This is showing some indication, and I have 2 pages, one this one and second one is this, right? Share. I will click to share it. Share only this file, share entire documents. Yes, I will click here. 4 options are there. Share as PDF, share as image, share PDF with password. So suppose I have to share it, share this document. So I will click this share button. After share as PDF, and suppose I want to share it in, so there are too many options. Suppose I have to share it in WhatsApp, and then I will send it to someone. Suppose I am sending it to Chovaram sir. Yes, in send button I will click and this document has been sent, right? I can save it also in my phone. What is the procedure for it? So first of all I will click to the back and then again back button, and here are 3 dots. So I will click in this dot and save as PDF. I will click to save as PDF. Second option, save as PDF, then select, and then you can write the name. Suppose I am writing here Rahul sir document. Click OK. So this file has been saved to your download folder. So let's check it. I'm going to my download folder. I'll click here and this one is Rahul sir's document. Yes, file has been saved. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me, right? Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.